Good morning, guys. It is 6 o'clock. I got about 2 hours of sleep last night. Little Noxie kept me up all night. For some reason, he started hacking and coughing, and it was pretty bad. I was really worried that something was wrong with him, so I have stayed up all night long with Nox, making sure that he was okay and that he wasn't going to get sick, or I didn't need to take him to the emergency vet. I got up yesterday about 8:30 and then was up until about midnight. Slept until about, I don't know, maybe 2:30. So I got about 2.5 hours of sleep. I just poured a cup of coffee. Again, it is what is it? It's 6:04. Karen should be getting up soon to get ready for work. And then whenever Bella gets up, I will start the official vlog. I just wanted to say good morning, guys. I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye.
Hop. He thinks he's a bunny. Hoppity hop. I can't get any more in the house. Bella wants a fidget. Before we go into Target or Walmart, we're stopping by Five Below to see if they're any cheaper here. So they too are out of fidgets. I guess our next stop is Walmart. I just don't want to drive all over Columbus looking for this toy. One more stop. All right, we found the fidgets. We went to Target. We went to Toys R Us. We went to Five Below. I looked the other day at Kroger and Walgreens. They're all out. After leaving Toys R Us, I said, B, let's Google where we can find them before we keep driving all over God's green earth. Waterbeds and stuff. Of all places, waterbeds and stuff. So now she got two. Which two did you get?
I got the gray and white camo, and then I got blue.
I think that's teal, not blue.
It's blue.
So
Comment below.
now we're done. Comment below, is that what you said?
If you think it's blue.
Oh, yeah, comment below. Is this teal or blue?
This one.
All right, that's what her wanted. That's what her got. She did some chores for Karen, earned her money. She worked for her toy. Rock on. Now, I don't know what we're doing. Waiting for essay, right?
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully in the next clip, you'll see Mr. Essay.
Or you won't.
Or you won't. Bye, guys. See you in the next clip.
All right, so it's 5:25. We just finished getting back from visiting all the neighborhood kids from our old neighborhood, and we are just now eating. This is what was in the crock pot. A roast
and then we put some carrots, some onions, and some potatoes. Now we're gonna sit down. Until then, we're just gonna sit here and eat, chill out. We've been gone for about 5 or 6 hours, and we're exhausted. We saw old friends from the neighborhood. We saw old kids from the neighborhood. We saw, I think we saw like 12 people today from when the kids were in elementary school. Bella, you want to tell them goodnight? Oh, I love you. And now we are finally closing out the vlog. It is just so late. It's now whispering because everybody else is asleep. But I just wanted to close out the vlog and say for the second day in a row, it's probably a really crappy vlog. Bella is back again. I am headed home Monday for sure. And then you'll see what it's really like being married to a firefighter. Typically Joe's the one that's gone, but now I am. I know, look, I'm missing an eyebrow. I don't even know if this will make it in the vlog, but it'd be funny. Don't, your spit is gonna break my face out. I can't push you away. I can't push her away because my hands hurt. No, don't do that. That's disgusting. Say goodnight, vlog. Oh, my face is gonna break out with zits. Don't lick me. I'm not kidding you, Isabella Cherie. Oh my god. Okay, it's not coming off. See? They're not wiping off because they're real. It's waterproof. Be kind to one another. Love from Ohio. Bella, tell them goodnight, vlog. She's deliriously exhausted. I guess so. Oh, come on. Tell them goodnight. Say goodnight, vlog. Oh, stop. Ow, that hurts to push you away. By the way, she was hoping that this was for her. She's really sad to know it's not, but that's okay. It's not for you, Bella. All right. Good night. Love from Ohio. Be kind to one another. Peace out. And you know what? We'll see you in the next clip. Bye, guys.
I don't know who I am in this video, but I'm someone. That's shouting.
What are you watching?
Hog Rider, like for a Clash of Clans. I don't really
Oh.
know. And everyone is just riding a pig.
Oh, is it pretty cool looking though?
It's really weird because they're trying to attack a village, no kingdom, by riding pigs. No, I see it's a big butt.
Pig's butt?
No, it's just killed.
Say hi, Kelly.